Okay, so in this video we're going to carry on and move on from the last video, which is where we are using the belt and we're working breaking off. The belt, as you see, is in a V shape when it's facing the camera. For you it would be inverted V. So if we go, ready? So we go to yoi. So we're going to go into our position from last time. So get your sparring stance. If you want to do it the more traditional stance, you can do back leg straight if you want to. Okay? So from there, we worked on. So we're going to put some actual thinking. So you've got to visualise the attack coming, and you've got to use your blocks in the air. You've got to mirror it to the camera and then work your counter, all right? And it's really important that you think about something's actually coming at you, all right? So when you do this, even though this is to focus on the footwork, but you take this directly from here, put it into pair work, then you put it into your, it could be simulated sparring work or straight to sparring, okay? And then you do it in competitive sparring, all right? And then competition. So you just build it up, each of the levels. But you start here, so you can do this in your home dojos and work on it, all right? And if you get it right and you're thinking in the right way, your mindset's correct, then it'll really help and you can transfer this to your sparring work. So from there, we're doing it as we're going to move into the person. So we're thinking reverse punch. So you're going to throw backhand reverse punch, yakuzuki to the body. We are going to block straight down. They are then coming for the kick, so they'll be close enough for the punch to lift and kick or slight step up. We are going to block, and then we're going to counter, okay? So we're in this position. So from here, we're in this position here. We're moving in, we block. So we know, we've already tried, we stepped, we pushed that leg out. Their reaction is to drive and hit us with a reverse punch. We are going to block it, break, the kick comes, so we know the kick, they're good at double, we've been throwing it, we block it, then we hit the reverse. All right, whatever, a bit further away, you can step in, okay? So from this position, we want, so just check your belts in position. So from here, we're going to step up, lock down, step off. They are here, the kick was here. They are in this position. Open your leg up if you need to, and hit, okay? So we trained you to do the other side. So again, you've got to think they're going to throw as you move in. They are going to throw. Now, you could use your back arm. There's no reason why you can't use your back arm. So you can use either arm actually to do the block, whatever one you feel happier with. The yakuzuki, but it's going to be driving into you. So when you do it, you need to make sure that block is good. Block the kick, and then you hit the target. You will be obviously looking not at the camera where you're striking. So in this position, block, and back. Okay, if it needs another strike, you'll add another strike or kick or so forth. So here, block, break, block, punch, and then back again. We'll do it back onto the left side. So here, we're coming in, block, break. So that's your right arm blocks, and pull out. And as you feel better with that, you get faster. And then once you're happy, you're moving within these lines, try not to step on, try not to step out. So that basic drill, the attack is where the person, they are driving the reverse punch and kicking. Driving the reverse punch and kicking. So you will be blocking the reverse, blocking the kick, and then getting your score, okay, or getting your hit if it's sparring. Okay, have a go at that one and drill it both sides. Aim for, if you work on both it, get used to it, get within the lines, and then if you can do between 5 and 8, so that'd be 5 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then have a rest, and then try it again, and then you can change the blocks, but keep the footwork the same. You can change the counter as well, okay? So there's no reason you can't add a lift kick in there on that.